Hey guys, Pete, SC Racing here. Some more products for the Kawasaki ZX4RR. This is my tail tidy, plug and play, LED turn signals, LED license plate light, some driven license plate holders, hardware to mount it. This is TST's integrated turn signal brake light. Really nice product. You want all in one. This is their front turn signals. Very cool piece. I'll be displaying these on my bike. I have these on my street Ninja 400. Really cool. Comes with all the wiring. We recommend replacing the flasher relay as well. We'll get these mounted up and you'll see them on the bikes as well already. Stay tuned for some more videos.